రాజ్యసభ సమావేశాలు ప్రారంభమయ్యాయి. లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
I, Vemireddy Prabhakar Reddy, having been elected a member of the Council of States, do swear in the name of God that I will be true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
कर्नाटका श्री सैयद नासिर हुसैन.
House adjourned to meet again at 12 o'clock.
The Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Papers to be read. There is a procedure, Sukhenji, you know that. I will allow you after this. I will allow you, please. I will allow you. Dr. Jitendra Singh, after Jitendra Singh, sir, I will hear him before adjourning.
I rise to lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name at serial number 1.
Madam,
Today's revised list of business. Thank you, Chairman, sir.
after the ministers place the papers on the table, I will allow him. But if you dictate and then, that's your this is. Sir, ये हो गया sir. Sri Hardeep Singh Puri.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay the papers listed against my name at serial number 2 in today's revised list of business. Thank you, sir.
Sri Upendra Kushwaha. Please, Chaudhary, please sit down.
Are not being implemented.
नाम के सामने उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं.
That is your view. That is your view. Sri Dr. Virendra Kumar.
सभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 4 पर मेरे के नाम के सामने उल्लिखित अनुसार कागजात सदन के पटल पर प्रस्तुत करता हूं. धन्यवाद.
Sri Jayant Sinha.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay the papers on the table of the House as mentioned against my name at serial number 5 in the revised list of business for today.
Sri Arjun Ram Meghwal.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay the papers on the table of the House mentioned against my name at serial number 6 in the today's revised list of business of the Rajya Sabha.
Save Andhra Pradesh.
Dr. Satyapal Singh.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 7 in today's revised list of business. Thank you, sir.
Statement of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Labour, Sri Nazir Ahmad Lave.
I lay on the table a copy in English and Hindi of the statement of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Labour on statement showing further action taken by the government on the observation recommendation of the Standing Committee on Labour containing in their 31st report 16th Lok Sabha on the action taken by the government on the observations recommendations contained in their 24th report 16th Lok Sabha on demands for gratis 2017-18 of the Ministry of Textiles.
Statement by Minister Sri Jewel Oram.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं आज की राज्यसभा की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 1 में मेरे वरिष्ठ सहयोगी श्री जुएल ओरांव जी के नाम के समक्ष उल्लिखित प्रपत्र सदन के पटल पर रखने
Just a minute, this is over. General V.K. Singh.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House following statements. Status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 15th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs on problems relating to overseas Indian marriages, scheme for providing legal financial assistance, rehabilitation to Indian women desired by their overseas Indian spouses. Second, status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 25th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs on Passport Seva projects, targets and achievements. Third, status of implementation of recommendations contained in the third report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs on demands for grant 2014-15 pertaining to the erstwhile Ministry of Overseas Indian Affairs. Fourth, status of implementation of recommendations contained in the fifth report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs on demands for grants 2015-16 pertaining to the erstwhile Ministry of Overseas Indian Affairs. Fifth, status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 13th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs on demands for grants 2012-2013 pertaining to the Ministry of Overseas Indian Affairs. Sixth, status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 19th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs on demands for grants 2013-14 pertaining to the erstwhile Ministry of Overseas Indian Affairs. And seventh, status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 13th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs on India's soft power diplomacy, including role of Indian Council for Cultural Relations and Indian Diaspora.
Dr. Satyapal Singh.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I make the following statement. The Standing Committee on HRD presented their 288th report on demands for grants 2017-18, demand number 58 of the Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Human Resource Development in the Rajya Sabha, which was laid simultaneously in Lok Sabha on 21st March 2017. Action taken note of this report has already been sent to Rajya Sabha Secretariat, English version on 21st November 2017 and Hindi version on 28th February 2018. I hereby lay the action taken note on the observations, recommendations made in the 288th report on the table of this House. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Sri Sukhendra Roy. He has a point of order. He has a point of order.
Yesterday, Chair has allowed me.
I will decide, na?
Chair has allowed me, please.
I will decide, don't worry.
Chair has allowed me. You
please.
are the minister.
No, you need not ask him, please. Very good.
Sir, when this House reassembled yesterday at 3:30 p.m., the Deputy Chairman was on, Honorable Deputy Chairman was on the chair. He said, I quote, this particular bill, that is the Prevention of Corruption Amendment Bill, this particular bill, that is the one which I have allowed the Minister to move, had been passed by the Lok Sabha and transmitted to this House. Again he said, the bill has transmitted from the Lok Sabha and therefore I asked the Minister to move the bill. He has already moved the bill. Therefore, so Minister was allowed under the premises that it has been passed by the Lok Sabha, transmitted to the Rajya Sabha. But from the records it appears that this bill was introduced in the Rajya Sabha on 19th August 2013. Then this bill referred to Standing Committee on Law and Justice on August 23, 2013. Then on 6 February 2014, Standing Committee submitted its report. Thereafter, a select committee was constituted on 11 December 2015 and the select committee given an extension on 29th of April 2016 and this select committee submitted its reports chaired by Mr. Bhupendra Yadav on 11th August 2016 and government introduced the bill on 4th April 2018. Therefore, the order passed by the chair allowing the minister to move the bill was under wrong premises and therefore he should recall that order.
Right.
He should recall that order.
I got your point, Sukhenji. Please, please. This is the way. This is the way. This is the way one has to point out. The Prevention of the Corruption Amendment Bill 2013 was introduced in Rajya Sabha on 19th August 2013 as said by Sukhendra Roy ji. The bill has been examined and replaced by the Senate Committee by Rajya Sabha. The necessary correction will be made in the printed copy of the report. So correction has been carried, will be carried. What is this? Only one day left. You don't want. The House is adjourned to meet at 2 p.m. today.